Hello, my name is Kayla Carter, and today I'm going to teach you something a little interesting. Perhaps you never thought about it, but it's kind of something cool that you could do at parties, or if you ever happen to get pulled over for the suspicion of drinking and driving, and a police officer asks you the question, can you state the alphabet backwards? Which is a trick question. It's to get you to state that you couldn't even do it if you were sober. You can recite the alphabet backwards. I'm going to teach you how to do this by using some memory cues that I've taught in the past that help out a lot, and it helps you memorize a lot of information in a short amount of time. So the way I learned this was I was watching a television show called Reno 911, and I bought one of the seasons. On the extras, it taught you how to recite the alphabet backwards. So I used part of that and part of some other things I've learned online to essentially put together a memory cue lesson to teach. So just to get started out, all you need to know is the first three letters right off the bat, which is ZYX. So you can just write that down. Just ZYX are the only first three you have to memorize that don't have a cue. And then the next two are WV, which the memory cue is West Virginia. And then for the second one, it's Utah, UT. The next set are, it's kind of a sentence. So we're going to say, that's our coupon, SRQPON. And then to buy the milk jug, MLKJIHG. To feed the cat, FEDCBA. Now when you put all of these together, or memorize them in order, you'll get the alphabet backwards. I can recite it right offhand because I've been doing it for the last 10 years, and I have won some money in parties and impressed some of the police officers that I know because they don't really know anyone that could ever do it. But you just write down ZYX. There's no real memory cue for that one. And then West Virginia, Utah, WVUT. And then that's our coupon, SRQPON. And then the milk jug for the milk jug, MLKJIHG. To feed the cat, FEDCBA. It's a pretty simple sentence. It does help you memorize a lot of information in a short amount of time, or to compact it so you can memorize it easier. I used this technique when I was going through behavior detection training. I was required to learn a lot of information in a very short amount of time, verbatim. Memory cues are a great thing to have on hand when studying, trying to learn something new, prepping for a test, or just learning something cool like the alphabet backwards to impress your friends, maybe win a couple dollars at a party, or just maybe impress a cop if you ever get pulled over. What I usually do when I'm first learning it, I'll learn little sections of it at first, like maybe the ZYX, WVUT. Once you get those two sections down, you can go on to the next three sections, and then it's easier to put them together when you learn them independently. That's about it. Like I said, it's a great tool to use while studying, as well as perhaps impressing friends or colleagues. Thank you.